Greetings, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, specializing in WordPress and WooCommerce. This tutorial is about how to change multi-product SKUs at the same time. In the Woocommerce Bulk Product Editing plugin, you can change the SKU of several products at the same time. This helps to manage products faster and easier. In the Woocommerce Bulk Product Editing, as we mentioned in How to Filter Products on Woocommerce Bulk Product Editing, the store manager is able to filter the products regarding their priorities and then bulk edit their values such as SKU. Displaying SKU column in the product table. In order to display the SKU column in the product table and better observe how this field is going to be changed, we're going to add the SKU column to our preset right here. For more information in this regard, you can refer to how to manage product columns on WooCommerce Bulk Product Editing in our channel. As you can see, the SKU of our products includes the word Woo. And we are going to be replacing it now with a product ID. So let's go ahead and do this. Before changing the SKU, you should select your products in question. Otherwise, all of the products will be changed. So once you do that, go ahead and click on the bulk edit button from the toolbar. Bulk editing of product SKU is available in the general tab of the plugin. As you can see here, there are 3 different boxes in front of product SKU. In the first box, you can set these conditions. Okay, there it goes. Append. Your value will be added at the end of the SKU. Then we have prepend, in which your value will be added at the beginning of the SKU. And then we have new, in which a new value will be set for the whole SKU of the filtered product. And then we have delete, in which SKU of all filtered products will be deleted. And then we have replace, in which your selected value will be replaced by a new value you entered. In the second box, you have to type the new value for changing SKU of filtered products. You can either select a variable from the drop-down list, including the WooCommerce fields, or you can enter a new value. The drop-down list includes some items to make it easier for you to change multi-products SKU, such as title, ID, SKU, menu order, parent ID, parent title, parent SKU, regular price, and sale price. It is possible to add 1 or more items from the list to the box as well. And now let's see how we can append value to SKU. In this example, we want to append ID and title to the SKU of selected products. In order to make our changes more readable, we also add some space between those values and separate them by quotes, comma, unquote. So you can see that the SKU of our products has been changed accordingly. Now how can we prepend value to the SKU? So let's repeat the previous changes by prepending them to the SKU. We expect to see the ID and title are added to the beginning of the SKU. As you can see right here. Now how can we set a new value for the SKU? If we select new from the condition box, all of the current values will be replaced by the value added to the text box. So if we apply new for the same values selected in the previous step, the SKU of selected products will be replaced by ID and title. Now how can we delete a value from the SKU? You can choose which part of SKU you prefer to be removed from this field. For example, we want to remove ID, so the conditions set as we'll do. Now by clicking on Do Bulk Edit, the changes are made as we expected. Now how to replace product SKU. In this part, we're gonna bulk edit the SKU of products and replace Woo in their SKU with ID. So at first we choose the replace condition from the first box, and as you can see below, a new line will be shown to help you exactly specify what you want to be replaced. In the below line, you can see another box to set conditions, which are same case in which the value you entered in the product SKU box, no matter if it is in lower or uppercase. Ignore case in which the value you enter in the product SKU box, no matter if it is lower or uppercase. As it is shown on the screen, in the opposite drop-down list, some values have been set as default to help you select them to be replaced. Now, as we mentioned, we want to replace Woo in the SKU of products with ID. So, to change multi-products SKU in this tutorial and reach our goal here, we're gonna enter Woo in the product SKU box, and then we're gonna set the first condition of the line below to same case, and then we're gonna go ahead and choose ID from the opposite drop-down list. Now by clicking on Do Bulk Edit, our changes are made and we can see the final results in our product table.